Hey guys, today I want to show you how to easily use video transitions in Capcut. I have my videos here, my docs, and I want to use transitions between these two videos. So click on your video and click on animation right here. And here you have three options: in, out, and combo. And I want to use transition at the end of this video, so I'm gonna use out. For example, rotation. And if I want to make it better, click on the second video and click on animation again, and now click on in, and I'm gonna use this transition, and the whole transition will look like this. It's nothing special. You can also use sound effect. Click on audio and sound effects and transitions, and I like the little swish or this one. Grab it and slide it to your transition, and it will look like this. That's it. You can make better transition than this one. I hope it helps, and see ya in the next video.